So how to decide what to make a course about? Well, this is the subject of this video. Hey everyone, Matt Giaro here, and on this channel I help content creators create a business around their passion and their expertise. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So with that being said, you probably have already a passion and expertise, something that you know that you could actually create an online course about. But the thing is that you may have too many ideas. And what happens when you have too many ideas? Well, I can actually attest that is that you may be stuck in what's called analysis paralysis. And what does that mean? It means that the fact that you have too many choices actually prevents you from taking action. So in this video, I want to give you 3 simple tips in order to actually avoid that so that you can get started right away. So there are 3 simple steps, as I told you. So let's just start with step number 1. And yeah, before giving you the steps, at any point of this video, please make sure to check out the first link in the description where I'm going to show you exactly one of the methods I actually use to validate my course ideas. So with that being said, tip number 1 is that you have to start with actually a problem. Because always remember that people are buying a course because they want to solve a problem. So the first thing that you have to ask yourself is, when you think about your passion, your expertise, the topic that you actually want to create a course about, well, what is the number 1 problem people have? So as an example, if you are an health enthusiast, then probably one of the biggest problems people have is that they want to lose weight, right? Other thing is, if you're a coder, let's say, if you like to code in Python, then maybe the biggest problem people have when they start out is how can they actually get their first foot into Python programming, right? So this is always like a great way to start brainstorming your course ideas. This is the first thing. The second thing is, once you've identified actually a problem, is to ask yourself, will people actually buy this? Or do people actually buy this? So are there already products out in the marketplace that people are actually buying? So this could be actually books, or this could be actually consuming, for example, YouTube videos, or it could also be like other online courses, right? So for this, you can just have a quick look at actually on Udemy if it is actually something people buy there, or on Skillshare, or on other kind of platforms, okay? So this is actually the second step. And the third step, in order to just start doing something, is to actually start creating something. Because the thing is, if you wait, let's say, for the perfect topic, for the perfect moment where everything is aligned and everything is perfect, well, this would never happen. So the thing is that you have to just get started with one thing. And the best way to make a quick market research is just start with actually what you actually have in front of you, right? So don't try to overthink the process, because I always like to say that there are actually 2 worlds. That the world that actually what's happened in your mind, and what's actually happened in the real world. And the thing is that you can just go in circles in your mind, but if you don't take actually the step to move from this universe to this one, well, nothing will actually happen, right? So the thing is that you have to just get started with something, and the easiest thing is, as I told you, is just identify one simple problem, just double check if people are actually buying this, and actually just double check if the problem that you've picked is actually a real problem. And then third thing is to start creating it. And yeah, with that being said, I have a free course for course creators to show you exactly how to pick a profitable topic. I show you also how you can deliver your online course almost for free. Everything is actually in the description. The first link in the description is a free course that you can get. And yeah, by subscribing, you're also going to opt into my free daily emails, which help actually content creators create a business around their passion and their expertise. So yeah, the link is in the description. And if you appreciate this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You know, like everyone is talking about that, but yeah, do it if you actually enjoyed that. And yeah, with that being said, I see you inside your mailbox and also inside the free course.